What's up, guys? My name's Derek, and welcome back to Sundown Audio unofficial YouTube channel. All right, guys, quick update for today. The subs are out. I got empty tubes. About to throw some different subs in here and give you a little look. So here you can see some of the SPL subs that I was testing, playing with. You can see the U's that I absolutely kind of obliterated the cones on these. So I want to take a second to show y'all my new subs. Now, I don't think I'll put these in yet. I think I'm gonna do something different, do some testing before I put these new subs in, but I just want to do a quick update, show off the brand new subs that we built, that I'm hoping, I'm fingers crossed, these are gonna be the magic ones. These are gonna do it. And here it is. So here's one of the new ones. This is our new SPL motor. I'm running the same exact dual half ohm coil in there right now, but you can see a huge difference. We're using that U18 frame. So U18 frame compared to what you see down there, the 6-spoke. U18 frame theoretically should give us a little more throw, give it a little more mechanical ability without any issues. So on top of using that U18 frame, the U18 hard gasket, I'm also using the U18 cone. The other subs I tested run a ZV3 cone. Now in previous setups, matter of fact, almost every loud setup I ever did in our old Terra we used to play with, that I used to maintain and build and whatever, almost every setup in there was built like these other subs over here. 6-spoke frames, ZV3 cones. I'm doing something different. I don't know that somebody's done this exact configuration. I don't think anybody has. It's a possibility. We've done a little different crazy combos, but theoretically, the U18 frame, we're also running bigger diameter spider in here. I've got a big diameter progressive roll spider, and the U18 cone. Then with our, give you a glimpse, our real carbon fiber dust cap. It is not a sticker decaled carbon fiber. That is real carbon fiber, and of course, my little logo on it. And yeah, I messed this one putting it on. I got some wrinkles in it, but that's fine. I'm getting old. I'm getting a few wrinkles myself, so it matches. But so here we go. Previously, in big SPL setups, we would do the 6-spoke. We would do the ZV3 cone. We actually did some testing between some mega rolls, ZV3, some of the old high roll, big roll, whatever you want to call it. We actually did a bunch of testing on different cones, and everything we did, that ZV3 cone was louder, and I mean substantially louder. So we always ran that on everything we did. Well, now the U's are doing really well. So if you've seen some of the head-to-head testing, the U subs are no joke. They get loud. I got them insanely loud in this thing. Honestly, louder than I expected. So they got insanely loud in here, and the cone's got some really good qualities I like, so we're giving it a try. U cone, like I said, with the frame versus the 6-spoke, the U frame allows a little more travel, a little more mechanical excursion. And seeing what I did to the U's, I'm gonna need every bit of mechanical travel I can get. So on top of that, now difference from the U's, obviously, different motor. I'm running the same coil, same frame, same cone. I'm also running a different spider this time. So in the past, we always ran a small progressive spider. I really don't want to get into the difference between progressive and linear rolls right now. Just know it worked. We tried several different spiders, linear ones, progressive ones, and our small diameter progressive spider was always louder. I mean, noticeably louder. Now, I know some other guys have done a bunch of testing, and there's some other spiders out there. They're like, oh, these things, they work great. They're better. Well, we've got our own now. It's a similar progressive spider, except huge diameter. So it allows throw. all the throw, maximum stroke, maximum excursion, and that's what I'm going for here. Small tubes, but a lot of cone movement. Now, there's another debate, guys like, oh, well, you're high frequency, and really right now I'm not that high frequency. As a matter of fact, the last testing I did was 58 hertz. Now some guys, oh, that's so high. Like, no, that's really not that high. High frequency, you don't get a lot of throw. Well, no, yes, you do. Again, in all the testing we've done, the more we can get them subs to move, regardless of frequency, the more they move, the louder they get, the more SPL translates to that sensor. So anyway, that's what I'm going for here. Showing off some of the other things. Obviously, we got the standard Sundown Audio, big 4-gauge terminals. You see the nice little Sundown Audio logo. We got all the cooling. Guys talk about cooling channels. We got vents on vents on. Let me lay this thing down. On vents. Not that it matters. What I'm doing, like even the U's I did, nothing's had a cooling issue. Nothing's had any kind of thermal issue. I put a ton of power in these things on these burps. They're short, 2-3 second burps. Thermally, they'll hold all the power. But I know some people like the buzzwords with the cooling channel, so we got them. That's what you like. They're here. Anyway, get in there, show you our big leads. Nice big heavy duty leads in there. Nice glue joints. And the lighting ain't super great. I don't know if you're gonna see it. Try and get in there. If you can see, we've got what we do, one of our tricks is the coated cone. So to help with any potential issues, we coated the cone from the back. So got all that put in there, soaked in there, and then like I said before, that is a real carbon fiber dust cap. Now, does it add some strength? Well, yeah, I believe it does. I think it helps to gusset on top and help to strengthen this area. Now, it doesn't strengthen the whole cone. Obviously, it's just where it's mounted, but yeah, totally. It adds a little bit of gusseting in here and helps with that strength coming down. So that's my belief, so I'm sticking to it. Using totally different than the U's, which obviously is different motor. We got all the different spider. We got the extra reinforcement on this cone. Different than the Neos I tested. In fact, we got the different frames and different cones. I'm fingers crossed. These are going to do it for me. These are going to give me that little bit extra to put me exactly where I need to be. But only time will tell. But they're not going in yet. I got something else I want to play around with. Do some more low power testing. Gonna do another head-to-head comparison for y'all. So stay tuned for that, because that's coming in the next video. Will probably be some low power testing head-to-head with another subwoofer we're gonna test out in here in Project SPL. And so that video's coming soon. And also I'll make sure that one has term lab numbers. I know everyone's screaming, we want to see the term lab numbers. We want to see it turned up. So I'll make sure we do that in the next video. And then probably not that one, but the next one, we'll get to doing some more work on this loading wall. Again, I didn't quite, I'm back and forth. Temperature's way better today. You see, I'm in my t-shirt, got my short sleeves on. It got warm today. So that's all. I'm just letting this weather warm up a little bit more, get a good temperature for me to really dial it in perfect. But I'm gonna get in here, I'm gonna play around. I'm gonna do some more things. Like you see, I got the round over. That gained huge as far as I'm concerned. Where I'm at, I gained a half dB just popping that on there. Like quick, I went over here, I found a random scrap piece of pipe, made some cuts, put that bump on there, taped it, bam, half dB instantly. And when you're this loud and you gain a half dB, that is massive. I mean, it's so massive. So I got some other little things. I plan on doing some little tricks, hoping to gain a lot more. I don't care if it's 2/10 at a time, 3/10 at a time. They all count at this level, every one of them. I don't care, 1/10 counts at this level. That can be the difference between winning, losing, or even making brackets. But that's it. Like I said, just short, quick update. Show off the new subwoofers. Happy face. I'm excited. Can't wait to beat on these things, but got a little bit to go before I put them in. Anyway, that's it. Gonna wrap this video up. So guys, remember, if you like what we're doing here on the channel, click that thumbs up button, give us a like, make sure you're subscribed, share this video with your friends, tell them all about what we're doing here with Project SPL. Ring that bell for notifications, because next video is going to be another really good one. Term lab numbers, SPL numbers, head-to-head test, show off some other subs, and That's it. Till next time, guys. We'll see y'all then.